Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if an error occurred while starting Roblox on your Windows computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. First thing I recommend to restart your computer guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem guys. And we can also try network resetting guys. Go to search menu and type network reset. Open it. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as a VPN client software or virtual switches. Select the reset now option and select it yes, and Windows will shut down in 5 minutes guys. You are about to be signed out. Close out of here and manually restart your computer guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve our problem, and if you not get resolved, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type installed apps, installed. Open it. Search for Roblox, ROBLOX. Select the three dot icon and select advanced option. Scroll down guys. Here we get if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Select repair option. After finishing repair guys, try Roblox to the problem has been resolved or not. Check whether it's a problem has been resolved or not. If not, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select the reset option. This will permanently delete the app's data guys. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app data and the preferences as well. And you just need to restart your computer guys. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC, and hopefully at this point you get resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.